Hello students, welcome to Merimata High School Maswad. I, Mayuri Miss. In computer, in the third chapter, that is parts of a computer, now we are going to see the classwork, the exercise that is given in your book. In that, first question you see here, filling the blanks with the help of the words given in the brackets. In the brackets, some words are given. So you want to choose the word by seeing the sentence. First one is the dash is used to put space between letters or words. लेटर्स आणि वर्ड्समध्ये स्पेस देण्यासाठी काय वापरतो आपण? तर इथं बघा ऑप्शनमध्ये दिले स्पेस बार. सो द आन्सर विल बी द स्पेस बार की is used to give the space between the letters or words. Now, second question, see, the dash is called the brain of the computer. The dash is called the brain of the computer, CPU. So, answer will be the CPU is called as the brain of the computer. Third, the dash prints words and pictures. Words आणि pictures कशातून आपण प्रिंट करतो? प्रिंटर मधून. इथं आहे बघा प्रिंटरचं स्पेलिंग. ते लिहायचं तुम्ही. PRINTER. Printer. Fourth one, the keys with arrows are called. Keys with arrows. ज्या कीजला arrows असतो त्याला कुठल्या कीज म्हणतो आपण? कर्सर कीज. इथं आहे बघा शेवटी. CURSORKEYS. Cursor keys. Fifth one, the dash has letter keys and number keys on it. Letter keys आणि number keys कशावरती असतात? कीबोर्ड वरती. इथं आहे बघा कीबोर्ड. The keyboard has letter keys and number keys on it. Now sixth one, the dash are used to listen to music. म्युझिक ऐकण्यासाठी काय वापरतो आपण? ऑप्शन मध्ये दिसते का तुम्हाला? त्याच्यातून काय येणार? स्पीकर्स वापरतो आपण म्युझिक ऐकण्यासाठी. SPEAKERS, speakers. So the speakers are used to listen to music. So what we had seen, the space bar is used to put space between letters or words. Second, the CPU is called the brain of the computer. Third, the printer prints words and pictures. Fourth, the keys with arrows are called cursor keys. Fifth, the keyboard has letter keys and number keys on it. Sixth, the speakers are used to listen to music. So you take the screenshot. So now the seventh question, you see the dash is a pointing device. The mouse is a pointing device. MOUSE, mouse. Eighth, the dash shows whatever you type using the keyboard. कीबोर्डने आपण जे काय टाईप करतो कशावर दिसतं आपल्याला? मॉनिटर. MONITOR, monitor. Next, the dash key is used to go to the next line. Enter. ENTER, enter key. Then 10th one, dash key is used to type in capital letters. Shift. SHIFT, shift. 11th, the dash key is used to erase what you have typed. For erasing, which key is given here in the bracket? Delete key. Then last one, a computer is used where? Used in schools. SCHOOLS, schools. So see, seventh one, the mouse is a pointing device. 8th, the monitor shows whatever you type using the keyboard. 9th, the enter key is used to go to the next line. 10th, the shift key is used to type in capital letters. 11. The delete key is used to erase what you have typed. 12th, a computer is used in schools. So you take the screenshot. Now see the second question. Put a tick mark against the right sentence and a cross mark against the wrong one. A computer is not used at home. Computer is not used at home. Right or wrong? Wrong. So put wrong. Second, computer is used in offices. Correct. So put tick. A computer is not used to play games. Wrong. So put wrong. Fourth, a computer is not used in hospitals. Wrong. So put wrong there. Fifth, a computer is used to watch movies. Correct. So put tick. Last, the backspace key is used to erase what you have typed. Correct. So computer is not used at home. Wrong. Computer is used in office. Correct. A computer is not used to play games. Wrong. A computer is not used in hospitals. Wrong. A computer is used to watch movies. Correct. The backspace key is used to erase what you have typed. Correct. So you take the screenshot. So in this way we had solved the exercise that is given in the book. Thank you.